We've all been there. You're at dinner, splitting the bill, and Venmo seems like the easiest solution. But then, that dreaded pop-up. Venmo verification might seem like an annoying hurdle, but it's actually there to protect you and the entire Venmo ecosystem. So, how do you know if your account is verified and, more importantly, how do you get those sweet increased limits? Let's break down the world of Venmo verification and get you sending money like a boss. There are actually two main types of verification on Venmo: phone number and identity verification. Phone number verification, easy peasy. Think of phone number verification as the basic handshake of Venmo. It's a quick and simple process that helps confirm you're a real person and adds an extra layer of security to your account. When you first sign up for Venmo, you'll receive a text message with a verification code. Enter that code, and voila! You're good to go on the phone number front. Identity verification, level up your Venmo game. This is where things get a little more interesting. Identity verification involves providing Venmo with some additional information to confirm your identity. This typically includes your legal name, date of birth, and either your social security number or taxpayer identification number, TIN. In some cases, Venmo might also ask for a photo ID or a selfie for facial recognition. Now, you might be wondering, why go through all this extra trouble? Well, identity verification unlocks a whole new level of Venmo functionality. Here's what you can expect. Increased sending limits, this is the big one. With identity verification, you can send significantly more money each month. Those limitations you were facing? Gone. Higher purchase limits, thinking of using Venmo to snag those concert tickets or that trendy new gadget? Identity verification might be your ticket, pun intended, to using your Venmo balance directly for purchases. Enhanced account security, identity verification adds an extra layer of protection against fraud and unauthorized access. It shows Venmo you're the real deal and helps keep your hard-earned cash safe. How to verify your identity on Venmo. The process is actually quite straightforward. Here's a quick rundown. Open the Venmo app and head to the Me tab. Tap the Settings gear icon in the top right corner. Look for the Identity Verification option and tap on it. Follow the on-screen instructions, which will likely involve entering your personal information and potentially submitting photos of your ID. Once you've submitted everything, Venmo will review your information. This typically takes a few business days. If everything checks out, you'll receive a notification letting you know your account is now verified. But what if I don't want to verify my identity? That's totally your call. However, keep in mind that without identity verification, you will be subject to lower sending and purchase limits. You also might not be able to use all of Venmo's features. Is Venmo verification safe? Venmo takes security seriously and uses industry-standard practices to protect your information. They won't share your personal details with anyone without your consent. The takeaway: Venmo verification might seem like a hassle, but it's an important step to unlocking the full potential of your account. With increased limits, enhanced security, and the ability to make purchases directly from your Venmo balance, verification offers a whole lot of benefits. So, if you're serious about using Venmo to its fullest, consider taking the verification plunge. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.